Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, how do you pick stocks for futures intraday 1? Answer by Abhishek Kaur. So, many people have been allured by the Indian stock markets, especially because of the incredible returns they have delivered in past year. On one hand, there are stocks like RCOM which went up by 5,060% in just 2 sessions, while Intraday which fell more than 40% in the last session. On account of such moves, most people think, what if we can catch such moves and make a killing? Unfortunately, the possibility of getting such stock moves on a daily basis is not possible. But volatility is what day traders seek. Based on the question, here are the 4 stocks which I believe one can trade daily or on most days to get amazing returns. Remember, by trade I mean both short and long. Before I mention about that, let's understand which stocks are the best when it comes to intraday trade. For intraday trade, the best stocks are those who demonstrate the following qualities. Trade trending stocks. These have more possibilities of breakouts. Trade highly liquid stocks so that on a day's level you get a decent entry and exit. Trade stocks which have decent volatility, not too high, between 24% on most days. Trade stocks which are medium beta stocks. Now, based on these parameters and technical analysis, here are the 4 stocks which one can actually keep in their portfolio and make decent gains. Reliance Capital. Trending, yes. Liquid, yes. Average volume 6,809, volatility minus 9.57% change. Beta medium, still trending, yes. Liquid, yes. Average volume 18,935, volatility minus 7.99% change. Beta medium to high. Fortis Healthcare. Trending, yes mostly. Liquid, yes. Average volume 9,282, volatility minus 6.33% change. Beta medium, trending, yes. Liquid, yes. Average volume 9,430, volatility minus 5.73% change. Beta high. So, you can see that the following stocks can give decent day moves and help in making good intraday gains. For reference, here's what we made in the last session until 45,000 gains in a single day swing is never bad. Insane bit? Now some words of caution based on my decades experience in the markets. No one makes gains every day in intraday. You can't trade the same stocks all your life. You need to shuffle with changing times. Discipline and stop loss are the key in intraday trading. I hope this answer helps. In case you wish to know more about investments, trading and strategies, don't forget to subscribe my recently launched channel, Abhishek Kaur's Academy, and also like plus follow me on Abhishek Kaur. If you like the answers, make sure you leave a review there. Always happy to help. AK Trade Guru. Answer by Tejas Kode. Trading is a play on momentum. So it is important to choose stocks which have momentum during the day. There are over 1,600 plus stocks listed on NSE and it's practically impossible to identify the opportunities across all of them. Hence, most traders follow 20-30 stocks in which they feel they can identify profitable short-term opportunities. Although widely practiced, it is not the most efficient way of doing things. The best way to choose stocks for intraday trading is by using technical screeners. Our in-house trading platform FiresOne has inbuilt scanners which helps traders take informed decisions. These screeners are specifically built to help identify stocks across sectors, different market capitalizations and indices. Also, stuff like options chain analysis helps build strategies based on open interest analysis, volume analysis, etc. In June 2017, we're launching FiresWeb, which has a special emphasis on charting and simplicity. Watch out for that one. It is super easy to analyze and trade stocks. Hope this gave you some insights. Enjoy your weekend. Answer by Santoshi Chawla. Trade only in liquid stocks. Liquidity is the most important intraday trading tip while choosing the right stocks to trade during the day. Liquid stocks have huge trading volumes whereby larger quantities can be purchased and sold without significantly affecting the price. Generally, lesser liquid stocks do not provide traders the opportunity to purchase and sell larger quantities due to lack of too many buyers. Some traders may argue that illiquid stocks offer bigger opportunities with rapid price modifications. However, statistics show that volatile stocks show greater movements in a short period of time. Thus, most of the possible gains dissipate while the downside risk still looms. Nonetheless, the liquidity of the stocks depends on the quality of the trades placed by the traders. For example, a volume of 50,000 to 75,000 shares is sufficient if the trade is for 50 or 100 rupees. However, if the volume is few hundreds or thousands, volume requirements significantly become larger. Stay away from volatile stocks. It is commonly noticed that a low daily volume of traded stocks or those where some huge news is expected move in an unpredictable way. Sometimes, the stock may show volatility even after the announcement of the big news. Traders are recommended to avoid intraday trading in such stocks. A few volatile stocks are in the mid-size segment while most stocks traded in the low-cap categories like S, T, and Z are highly chaotic. In addition to being volatile, these stocks have low daily volumes, making them illiquid. Trade in good correlation stocks. An intraday tip for choosing the right stock is to opt for those that have a higher correlation with major sectors and indices. This means when the index or the sector sees an upward movement, the stock price also increases. Stocks that move according to the sentiment of the group are reliable and often follow the expected movement of the sector. For example, strengthening of the Indian rupee against the dollar will generally affect all information technology companies dependent on the US markets. A stronger rupee implies lower earnings for the IT companies, and weakening rupee will result in higher export incomes for these companies. Follow the trend. One of the most important intraday trading tips is to remember that moving with the trend is always beneficial. During a bull run in the stock market, traders must try to identify stocks that can potentially rise. On the other hand, during the bear run, finding stocks that are likely to decline is advisable. Pick after research. Undertaking quality research is one of the most vital intraday tips that traders must always remember. Unfortunately, most day traders avoid doing their research. Identifying the index and then finding sectors that are of interest is recommended. The next step is to create a list of several stocks with these sectors. Traders need not necessarily include sector leaders, but rather identify stocks that are liquid. Technical analysis and determining the support and resistance levels along with studying the fundamentals of these stocks will help traders find the right stocks to profit through intraday day trading. Intraday trading has inherent risks, but speed plays a vital role in making all the difference. Earning profits through small price fluctuations during the few trading hours is not an easy task. Angel broking Angel Eye helps to monitor stocks in real time. Being browser-based, you can easily do online share trading from anywhere, without the speed being affected. The platforms helps in taking quick decisions, thus enabling traders to book profits. Try Swastika InvestMart Limited to manage your wealth profile. Click here to open an account or feel free to contact us.